Hello students, my name is Jonathan Okebero Bolaji Agbanoma, professor. This is yet another wonderful biology class. As you can see on the board, what we are looking at is a transport system. It's a biology class. The transport system. What do we mean by the transport system? First, what is system? From the organization of life, a cell is the smallest unit of a living organism. And when cells come together, they give you tissues. When tissues come together, they give you organs. When organs come together, they give you what? System. Example of a simple cell is amoeba. But in your body, the smallest cell there is one cell. When they join together, they give tissues. Example of tissues in the body, the what? The muscle tissue. Example of organs, the eye, the nose, the teeth, the mouth, they are all organs. And system is a combination of organs that do the same thing. For example, if we say the digestive system, we'll be talking about the mouth, the tongue, the esophagus or the gullet, the stomach, the pancreas, the small intestine, the large intestine, the colon. That forms the digestive system. Do you understand? Respiratory system, we're talking about the nose, the trachea, which is called the windpipe, the bronchial, the bronchiolus, the alveolus. They form the what? Respiratory system. Now we are talking about transport system. Transport is simply the movement of materials. Transport system is movement of materials from one part of the body of a living organism to another. That is the transport system. Now, transport system in mammals starts with the blood. The blood is a fluid tissue. The blood is a fluid tissue. What do we mean by fluid tissue? The blood contains plasma, which is the liquid part of the blood, and cells, which is called the blood corpuscles. What is plasma? Plasma contains water, salt, enzymes in our body. You know what enzymes are? There are different types of enzymes. The taurine, the renin, the pepsin, they are all enzymes in the digestive system. Then you have water. As you take in water, it goes into your blood in the plasma part of the blood, the liquid. Salt that you take in go into the blood. The main role of the plasma is to take nutrients like hormones and proteins, including digested food products or substances to different parts of the body or cells that absorb and use them for energy and for cell rejuvenation. Cells also put their waste products into the plasma. So the plasma then help to remove these wastes from the cells. So, from the body. So what are the cells? The cells in the blood are divided into three. You have the white blood cell, which is called the what? The white blood cell that is called what? The erythrocytes. You have the, sorry. You have the white blood cell that is called the leukocytes. You have the red blood cell. Red blood cell is called the erythrocytes. And you have the third part of the blood is called the blood platelets. And what's the function of the red blood cell? The red blood cell contains the pigment hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is red in color. So, from a glance, the red blood cell is known to be red because of the because it is composed of hemoglobin. What does hemoglobin do? It carries oxygen from one part of the body to another, as you will see it explained there. And the oxygen that is moving in the body is called the oxyhemoglobin. Then it carries carbon dioxide from the lungs, and when blood is moving the carbon dioxide, it is called carboxyl hemoglobin to come out through the nostril. So we have the red blood cell. Then the white blood cell fights germs in the system. There are different types of white blood cells, which we are going to learn as we progress. Then the blood platelet is helps for blood clotting. What do you mean by blood clotting? Immediately, mistakenly prick your skin, and blood is oozing out. Oozing out. So it will form a net called the insoluble fibrin from the blood protein fibrinogen to cover it so that it cannot come out again. Some people, however, cannot have a situation where their blood will clot. They have a disease called hemophilia. Blood continues to come out continuously until they lose all the blood, which is not common. So, look at this. This is the closed circulatory system. The closed circulatory system. This is how blood moves in our body. The heart. It enters like this to the heart through the tricuspid valve to the pulmonary artery. Now, there are two vessels that move blood. They are either veins or arteries. Arteries take blood away from the heart. Veins move blood to the heart. So you see the pulmonary artery, are you zooming it? Pulmonary artery, blood enters from the heart to the pulmonary artery, then to the lungs. From the lungs, it carries oxygenated blood as shaded. This one is shaded, is oxygenated blood with oxygen, and moves to the aorta and goes up to the neck and head. It moves down again, it enters the mesenteric artery to the intestine. And the intestine, from there, digested foods, substances move on, still oxygenated, it gets to the liver. From the liver, some are stored, others move, then, without oxygen. It goes down again, down, it enters the renal artery to the kidney. In the kidney, urine is formed, and the blood moves without oxygen. It goes down again to the gonads and legs. What do you mean by gonads? Your reproductive organs. Blood is there. You see that this place that is shaded is oxygenated blood, while the place that is not shaded is deoxygenated. Then it goes back to go and collect oxygen. The reason why it's going back is to collect oxygen. You see, all veins return blood to the heart, while all arteries remove blood from the heart. All veins return blood to the heart. All arteries remove blood from the heart, except two veins and arteries. See it. All these are arteries. So they are taking blood away from the heart. Is it not? All these are arteries. You see that all the arteries have blood, except one artery. Which artery does not have blood? Pulmonary artery. This one does not have blood. All veins do not have blood. All veins do not have blood. All these are veins. They do not have blood. Except one vein. Pulmonary vein have blood. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
So it's only the pulmonary that is opposite in the rule of arteries and vein behavior. Do you understand? So this will be explained one after the other as we progress with our notes. I hope it's clear. Catch you part 2.